Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining. Today I'm doing an unboxing of some SkinMedica moisturizers. I haven't tried all of their moisturizers, so I figured, since we're in quarantine, this would really be like a really good time just to kind of try out all of the moisturizers that I haven't tried yet. So I just got my box in, so I wanted to kind of show you what it looked like when it arrived at your door.
It's really cute. Cute little box. Packaging is fun. Has like this little sticker. Oh, it's so cute, right? This is a good unboxing.
So these are 3 moisturizers from the SkinMedica line that I do not have in my back bar yet. So I wanted to do that while I was home. This is the Ultra Sheer Moisturizer, their Replenish Hydrating Cream, and their TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream. I believe that one's really good after any post-procedure like your laser or things like that. So I'm really excited to give these a try. I have the other ones from their line that I'll also talk about, but I just wanted to show you how pretty their boxing is when you get it, when you order it offline. They are still shipping to your house currently. You also do get a free little goodie sample. That's a pretty good size. This is the TNS Eye Repair. That should last quite a while. That stuff is awesome. So I got a cute little, gift there. So I will open these, tell you all about it, tell you about the ingredients. I'll put some on the back of my hand so you can, see the texture of it. So I'm really excited about this, so stay tuned. Hey angels, this is Lizzie here. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of SkinMedica Moisturizer. We get asked in our clinic probably 100 times a day, what moisturizer can I use post-procedure? What moisturizer can I use when I'm super dry after using retinol? I'm really, really oily, I really want a moisturizer, but I don't want anything super thick. So I decided to do an unboxing of some of their moisturizers from SkinMedica. That's our biggest selling skincare line in our office currently. So I figured this would be a great time to kind of go over those, what's in them, and then I'm going to try them on the back of my hand and just kind of, tell you, does it have a smell? Does it, go right into your skin? Does it leave a residue? Just to kind of help you a little bit navigate which which moisturizer would be best for you. So I did line them up as far as this has got the least amount of moisture as opposed to this thickest one, which is their TNS Ceramide treatment. So this one would be good for somebody who's, let's say, post-procedure or something. So we're going to start with the Ultra Sheer Moisturizer from SkinMedica. I hope you can see that. I did try this one last night. It's more for the oily combo skin, so it's going to be less heavy, less creamy, less thick feeling. So you only need a teeny tiny little bit from what I could understand. I saw it last night and I'm really dry. So if you, just give it a good swirl on the back of your hand, there literally is no thickness, creaminess, nothing. It is like just gliding into my skin. Like it had just completely evaporated. No smells, nothing. Like it is just a nice moisturizer. So somebody who's super oily would really enjoy that, just to have, a nice moisture to put over their retinol, just to make them feel, hydrated but not gooey, if that's, a word. So that's their first one. That's the first step. The next one is called Replenish Hydrating Cream. This is also for all skin types. Again, let's see. This one is a little bit more of a thick cream. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, it definitely does have more of a slip to it. Still really nice, but not anything crazy thick. No, it does have a little bit of a smell, but not anything floral or anything. It just kind of smells like a moisturizer. Again, it was a little bit more thick, but nice. I really liked it. And I do believe all of them have some antioxidants in them, so that's really nice. It's anti-aging, helping against the free radicals. So the next one is Rejuvenating Moisturizer. This is our best selling in our office. So this is kind of like the middle of the road. I do believe this is number 3 as far as out of 1 to 5 on the moisture scale. So this one's a little bit more thick. This one definitely has antioxidants in it. So as you can see, it takes me a little bit longer to really work that in. It's nice. It does have a little bit more of a smell to it. I'm a smell person, so I just have to let people know. But it's really nice. It soaks right into your skin. I do have to say though, with this one, I would say make sure you do cover with some SPF, as it does have some high levels of antioxidants in it. Our next one is the Dermal Repair Cream. This has got to be my favorite one. I'm really dry a lot of times, so to me this one is like awesome. It also just reminds me of being like super bougie and being at a spa resort. So it's got like a little saucer. Mine is completely gone. Pretty much, I think there's like maybe one little scoop in there. But you do have like a little scooper that comes with it. So don't put your dirty fingers in here, just use the scooper and then wash the scooper at night. This one has got such a spa smell to it. It is just so luxurious. It's thick, it's just creamy. I absolutely love it. This is number 4 out of the 5 as far as moisturize. This is the highest level of antioxidants in their range. So just like I said, be very careful. If you're not used to using any medical grade product, you really need to wear SPF over this because you will burn in the sun. Just saying. Tried it, I know. Dermal Repair Cream, my favorite. The TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream. This is for somebody who is post-procedure for like laser or something like that. So somebody that really needs that extra bit of love. The TNS is their growth factor, so that's helping heal you even faster. So I'm going to try that on the back of my hand or arm. So you see how thick that was to come out as opposed to the other ones. So just kind of work that guy in. And see, it's just really thick. A little bit, actually kind of smells a lot like that one. So it's not a bad smell. And it went right in. So I think if you're looking for something that's super thick, I would do the Dermal Repair Cream. And if you are somebody who just needs something quick and light and just airy, then your Ultra Sheer is probably your best bet. I really like the Rejuvenating Moisturizer as well, just because it is kind of like the middle of the road, so it's good for everybody. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know. Bye, angels.